The first thing you notice is the silhouette, compact, muscular, and deliberately pared back. The bodywork reads as a study in restraint. A matte, deep cobalt paint that softens reflections, exposed carbon fiber panels that mark structural intent, and brushed aluminum rails that catch the evening light. From a low 3/4 perspective, the lines flow from narrow nose to an asymmetric tail, a small but intentional variation that doubles as an integrated quick-release luggage dock. Wheels are forged and finished with a dark metallic sheen. Suspension components are visible and purposeful rather than hidden, signaling a machine designed to be understood at a glance. Lighting is modern but unobtrusive, with a slim LED headlamp and a lateral signature ridge that comes alive at dusk, an effect tuned during a calibration ride on the 31st of October 2025 at 7:42, a subtle timestamp of its final street setup. The overall presence is contemporary, grounded in materials and proportions that feel right for 2025. No theatrics, only considered detail. Move to the cockpit, and the character shifts inward, becoming intimate and direct. The seat is low and sculpted, with grained black leather that offers friction where you need it and comfort for longer rides. Clip-on handlebars position the rider forward without forcing an extreme tuck. Foot pegs are set for control with a hint of everyday comfort. At the center, a compact 5-inch TFT display favors essential data. A clean tachometer, shift indicator, and configurable ride modes, wrapped in an anti-glare surface for clarity in changing light. Haptic switches and anodized aluminum controls provide tactile confirmation. Under the seat, there is a discrete storage well large enough for a compact helmet or essential tools. The atmosphere inside the cockpit is focused and calm. Warm amber LEDs, a soft matte tank finish under the palms, and a quiet mechanical soundtrack that hints at a lively mid-capacity engine tuned for usable power. This is a sport motorcycle that invites involvement, to explore corners precisely, to commute without compromise, to carry a small bag yet remain razor-sharp on exits. It is a bike that balances ambition with restraint. Lean in and find the line.